Android developer options has been around quite some time. It's also been hidden for quite some time, in which people don't often know. You might remember having to enable USB debugging in order to connect to the Android software developer kit, required for the developer options to be switched on. The same things hold true today. How do you review your developer options? Okay, so simple. You have to open your settings and then navigate to System. Move to About Phone. In that window, locate your build number option and tap 5 times. Type 5 times on your build number. After the 5th tap, developer options will be enabled. You can then find developer options by navigating to your settings, System, Advanced, and then developer options. The feature flags option is found within the developer options window. What exactly are feature flags? So now let's define feature flags. This option also appears in Google Chrome and serves as experimental. So when you are in your Google Chrome, just click on the search button and just type in feature flags. You see Google Chrome has its own kind of feature flags. In some cases, those experiments eventually make their way to the standard release, and in other cases, they simply disappear. That's why they've put the feature flags under experiment. The feature flags will most likely change as new experiments are given life. As of this writing, the available feature flags. When your feature flags is enabled, you can get an option called Settings About Phone. Move the About Phone section to the top of the system and alters the UI of the About Phone section. And then there will be an option called Settings Bluetooth while driving. This enables an option called Use Bluetooth when driving under the Connected Devices section.